In this video, I'll show you how to use Zapier to find an existing task on a project so that you can do things with that task. Maybe you want to mark it as complete or incomplete, or assign a person to that task. You can do those things once you find and identify that task. So let's do that first. We're still working with our long Zap that we've been building across all these videos in this series on using Zapier with ProcessKit. And I'm going to add on one more, and I'll select ProcessKit as the app. And this time we want to find a task. So we're going to scroll all the way down under search and select find a task. Now, assuming we've already created a project and that project has tasks, or maybe we've created some tasks on it, now we can use this to find a task. We will select our ProcessKit account, and let's get that project ID, the one that we've previously created in this Zap, or maybe you're finding an existing project. Either way, that would output a project ID, and so we need to select that. In other words, we're pulling in that data from the previous step in the Zap here. Now, task title. We need to enter the exact text that we want to search this project to find a title by that, to find a task by that title. So for example, if we've been using one of our process templates, then we know that that process template will always produce a task called, for example, send welcome pack. So let's have the Zap find that send welcome pack task. See, I already made a misspelling. You got to be careful for that because it has to be exact. Same spaces, same spelling. I don't think it's case sensitive, but that's probably a good idea to make sure that it is. Now we're going to find that task. If it doesn't exist, we can check this box to have it automatically create that task if it doesn't exist yet. And if you check that box, then it will open up a few more options for you to fill in. These are the same as if you were creating a new task. But for now, let's just leave that unchecked, meaning we only want this to come through if it finds the task. All right, so we're going to look for that task and click continue. And we're going to test this out. And as you can see, it's successful because it did find a task by that name, send welcome pack, within the project that we've identified. So that's working because we already have that task here. All right, so now that we've identified that task, we can move on and do other things with this task, like mark it as complete or assign people to it. I'm going to do those things in separate videos, and we'll take it from here.